Losing weight is an eternal topic, and there will always be people around us who are losing weight. People may achieve weight loss through exercise, dieting, or liposuction. However, the effect may not be ideal, and the process can be very painful. So fast and painless weight loss methods have strong market potential. In 2022, the world's richest man, Musk, shared his weight loss results using semaglutide on social media. And since then, this miracle drug has been highly sought after by weight loss enthusiasts. Today, let's learn from a scientific perspective what semaglutide is. Semaglutide is a glucagon-like peptide 1 analog with 94% sequence homology to human GLP-1. It was originally used to treat diabetes. In June 2021, a long-acting GLP-1 receptor agonist, approved by the US FDA for obesity management, was administered subcutaneously once a week at a dose of 2.4 milligrams. The mechanism of weight loss by semaglutide. 1. Semaglutide mainly acts on the hypothalamus and posterior brain regions, reducing appetite and energy intake by stimulating the activity of neurons involved in appetite regulation in these areas. 2. Semaglutide can improve the hedonic pathway by reducing cravings for food and decreasing preference for high-fat foods due to increased satiety. The hedonic pathway includes rewards or motivations for food intake, which stimulate food intake when there is a relative lack of energy. In addition, it also stimulates the intake of high-tasting foods during periods of low energy demand. 3. The peripheral mechanism of semaglutide, similar to natural GLP-1, can lead to delayed gastric peristalsis. In addition, it can activate gastric motility receptors, which transmit signals through the vagus nerve, thereby inhibiting the satiety center located in the brainstem. In summary, semaglutide mainly reduces body weight by enhancing food satiety, reducing people's appetite and hunger, and delaying gastric emptying. Although semaglutide has weight loss effects, it is a prescription drug that patients need to obtain through regular hospital channels and use under the guidance of a doctor. After use, it may cause gastrointestinal or serious adverse events. After stopping use, there may be a rebound phenomenon, which requires continuous use and is expensive. However, it is not recommended for some people, such as thyroid tumor, history of acute pancreatitis, type 1 diabetes, and pregnant women. I believe that with the development of medicine, there may be more effective and safe weight loss drugs than semaglutide in the future. But everyone should have a relatively healthy weight standard and not have body anxiety. Relying solely on medication for weight loss is not advisable. Keeping your mouth shut and taking big steps is the healthy way to lose weight. Qingyao Bio can provide semaglutide for scientific research. If you have any related needs, please feel free to contact us at any time.